Hello, everybody. Once again, welcome to our ninth Excel tutorial. Pardon me if I say HTML Excel tutorial. Welcome to our ninth Excel tutorial. Today we'll be looking at formatting values. Now, under the formatting values, we'll be looking at how we can format our values so far as currency is concerned, and also applying some decimals to our values, and also some commas and so on and so forth. That is all about formatting values. So without wasting my time, let us look at that. So let's go back to our worksheet under the sales projection. So what I'd like you to do under the sales projection is select a cell range from cell B9 to H9. So B9 to H9, H9. There's it. So B9 to H9. Then I'd like you to go ahead and then look through the home ribbon. Look through the home ribbon. Under the cells logical group, click on the tasket arrow below format. From the format drop down list, I'd like you to just click on format cells. So this is it. A dialog box will display. Now click on where we have numbered. Okay, so numbers there. Look to the numbers category list and select custom. Okay, so after selecting custom, I'd like you to go ahead, look through the custom general type, this very side, scroll down and select this very custom type, this very one, the one here. I'll be leaving the whole format here for you to see how it is. So this very one, I hope you can see big now. Okay, this very one. So after that, click on OK and it will apply the format to the values. I've seen it. So basically that is just that. Let's assume that you want to format it to display currency, Ghana currency, or any currency. What I'd like you to do is that just press the start button, move to control panel. So when you go to your control panel, let's wait for a while. Then after you go to the regionals language, so we come to regionals. So after I come to regionals, I'd like you to go to advanced, click on like when you go to format here, we come to add settings. So you come to currency. So here you can put the CD sign here and it will work perfectly for you. Let's assume that my CD sign, because I'm not using a keyboard here, but I can just do something like C and put only C here. Click on apply and click on OK. When I come to my worksheet, see it will change. So when I go back and customize currency, change it to my dollar sign, click on apply, OK, and it's there. I've seen it. So that is how you can format your values. Now let's look at this. Select a cell from cell B5 to H5. B5 to H5. Then look through the home ribbon. Under the numbering logical group, click on comma. You see that there's a comma with the decimal places. This is. After that, let's press, not press, press enter, and then that is how your value will look like nicely. Okay, so basically that is just that. Now you can also click here if you want to decrease decimal. Here we call this decrease decimal. You can click, the decimal will be decreased. You can have also call increase decimal. You click 1 2 3, the number of decimals you want it to display. Now when you click on this sign, simply means that the value, the cells are more than the value. So you open, so okay, undo, decrease. You see, very simple as that. So you can do that, and also you can also click on comma and insert any currencies of your choices also here, and more accounting. You can come custom, select currencies, you select what I see NACD sign currency. You can type your country, Ghana. So this is our country here. You click on OK, and voila, decrease GH to work. So any which way you want it to work for you. So basically you can also highlight from here to here. You click on the currency, more accounting format currency, come to currency, click here and type Ghana GH, and to select the GH click on OK, and to format to GH nicely. So let me decrease it nicely. Okay, basically that is it. Increase and you can decrease. Okay, or you can also change it to your dollar and it will be piece as that. So basically that is all about formatting values. Catch you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.